high season right now this time of the year. So chapter number 3, waterfall of
Bocaina.
You heard that, Bocaina. I was in Minas Gerais and the Araucaria street went all over the place. But here, I don't know, it's just hard to see in Analandia, Araucaria, you know? So we're still in our way to find out this beautiful waterfall. Cachoeira da Bocaina, gente. Galera, boa noite, boa tarde, bom dia, qualquer que seja a hora que você está dando uma olhada aqui ao meu canal do YouTube, Enrique Morris. Welcome back, everyone. Enrique Morris, one more time delivered for all of you. New sharper, new adventure, new places all over here in the Sao Paulo, Brazil. Guys, for all of you, I am here in the place, what's the name again? Well, no?
Bocaina.
Cachoeira da Bocaina. Guys, I will tell you one time in advance. Then the owner of the place said, and it's because the season right now of the year is too dry, and they have two dams before the waterfall, so they shut it down, they closed the dam, and don't let the water go out, and so ended up the waterfall so poor of water. But even though I will go there and I will try my best to deliver shot, all right? So let's continue here to see what's going on.
Bem no pé dela é a trilha que vai embaixo, porque ali a serra faz isso, ó. Ela vai lá, como canto e volta, sabe? Com um bico. Então, chegando ali pra baixo da Goianinha, a esquerda vai lá no bico da serra.
A esquerda no bico da serra.
Tem um quiosque lá atrás do quiosque.
Beleza. Deus abençoe. Obrigado, beleza. Well, you heard the man. He was talking in Portuguese. I pretty much understood like probably 70% or something. There's supposed to be two places. So Walter and me are in overway. Chapter number 3 here. Waterfall of
Bocaina.
You heard that, Bocaina. Whatever. Eu não sei pronunciar bom, esse sotaque é meio ruim, então.
Bocaina.
Então, tenho que, graças a Deus, aqui meu amigo Walter. Ela não é gringo, mas parece aí com esse negócio aqui vermelho, mas é top pra caramba. E aventureiro, que é o mais importante da vida, é isso, cara. Gente, vai embora, sai da caça, pega no mato, vê o verdinho.
E eu que não vou perder a oportunidade de aprender com o nosso ilustríssimo Henrique Morris.
Para isso aí. Então, galera, vamos embora, vamos seguir aqui fazendo esse trekking. Here, and here's where you guys going to get the track to go and reach the bottom of the waterfall. All right, so look at that. They live here, continue to drop the garbage and stuff. Oh, this is good, man. This is good. People have conscience here about that. If you wanna come in the bottom, you gotta come and watch out, guys. Be careful. Look at the bridge. It's not like 100% well, you know. You heard that noise? Fresh water coming from the mountains, coming out from the mountains, guys. Coming from the rock, guys. No joking, guys. This is just really good. Look at that. Seriously. Real fresh. Really nice, this water. Yes. Yes. It's really good.
Ó, São José dos Pinhais é o nome da cidade, é a região metropolitana de Curitiba.
Aham.
Você tá gravando?
Tô gravando, tá doido o quê? Que rato. You see people, you see how people acted, you know, behind the camera when they're nervous. They don't want to talk no more. I mean, this is unfair. This guy brought me here, you know, to all those adventures. I know, like, he's like, no, I don't want to say nothing, anything. So we went in the top of that rock of the canyon, the cliff, and as you see here, Balter's that's going down. Oh my sweet Jesus! Oh my God! What a beauty this place, guys! My God! Say, guys, one more time. They have no water, but guess what? Life. You can feel the good energy of this place. It's amazing. I can't wait to deploy the drone and take the shots for all of you folks. algo espetacular. 60 metros de caída. Caída, é, Walter?
Sim, 60 metros de altura.
Essa? Sim.
Maravilhosa.
Nome da cachoeira, Walter? Tá, então, escutou, gente?
Bocaina.
É?
Bocaina.
Ah, I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comment below. If you know this place already, let me know in the comment below. If you have any positive thought, let me know in the comment below, folks. And I try to do my best, you know, to come all the way here. Chopper number 3 here in Analandia, Enrique Morris YouTube channel. And I'm on my way now to see if I can discover another place to try to post for all of you. Chopper number 4. All right, in this small town of Analandia. So more detail and about the place, the waterfall. Just check up in my video description and you will find out. I will send you a huge world of positive energy, blessing for everyone, man. And I'll see you until the next time. Don't forget to subscribe because it's for free and you will help me out to grow together. Right, folks? Until next time. Ciao.